After I received a few questions about how to edit the hidden elements in the email chat widget, I'm going to show you how to do that. That's fairly simple, as most of the things in Webflow. So you can see here that we have the actual widget, which is wrapped in one element, and inside we have the icon and the form block. If we choose the form block, we can see under effects that we have opacity 0 and transform scale also 0. So that's what actually hides the element. We don't want to change those values here. We want to add a combo class, because if we'll change those values here, the default state of the element will be shown, and we don't want that. So we're going to add a combo class. We actually already have that in the project, which is called open widget. We can simply click on that, and then we can see the element. Once we have it, we can also move between the states of the form, the success and the error, and then we can edit whatever we need. To go back, what we have to do is simply choose again the form block and remove that combo class. If we don't have that combo class, let's say we went and cleaned up and we don't have that combo class, and we click here and we don't see it, we can simply add any combo class we want. It would be better to add this one, but it does not really matter. So we can just open widget, combo class, press enter, and then we can change the opacity to 100 and remove the transform scale. And then again we have the element open, we can see it. Once we finish, we choose the form block, remove the combo class, and publish, and that's it. Any question, hit me up on the Facebook group or in the Webflow forum. You can also email me. That's it. Bye.